components of a vector in 2D. Let Px comma y be any point in the plane I cap and j cap are two unit vectors along x-axis and y-axis respectively. I cap and j cap are unit vectors along x-axis and y-axis respectively. Draw PM perpendicular to x-axis. Let OP bar equal to R bar. So OP bar equal to OM bar plus MP bar. So R bar equal to, no. OM bar is a vector whose magnitude is x in the direction of what? X-axis. That means OM bar will become x I cap. MP bar is a vector whose magnitude is y in the direction of y-axis. That means MP bar will be yj. So R bar equal to xi plus yj. That is position vector of the point P x comma y is R bar equal to xi plus yj. From right angle triangle, OP square equal to OM square plus MP square. So R square equal to x square plus y square. So length of OP bar root of x square plus y square. That is modulus of xi plus yj will be root of x square plus y square. Here OM bar is the component of OP bar. OM bar is the component of OP bar along x-axis, and MP bar is the component of OP bar along y-axis. OM is the projection of R bar along x-axis, and MP is the projection of R bar along y-axis. Okay. Distance between 2 points in 2D. P x1 y1, Q x2 y2. Then PQ bar equal to OQ bar minus OP bar. That is x2 minus x1i plus y2 minus y1j. So modulus of PQ bar, that is distance between the 2 points, will be root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. To locate any point, in a plane, we require two measurements to locate any point in a plane. We require two measurements. To locate any point in space. To locate any point in space. Example, tip of the fan. We require three measurements. We require three measurements. That is, distance of the point, from two perpendicular walls, that is in bracket planes, and the height or depth of the point. So if you observe in your room, to locate the position of the tip of the fan, so you need three measurements. So perpendicular distances from two perpendicular walls, as well as what? Height from the base. Let x dash ox comma y dash oy and z dash oz are mutually perpendicular real lines, real number lines. Let x dash ox, y dash oy, z dash oz are three mutually perpendicular real number lines intersecting at a point O, called origin. Here x dash ox is called x-axis, y dash oy is called y-axis, z dash oz is called z-axis. X, OY is called XY plane. Y, O, Z is called YZ plane. Z, O, X is called ZX plane. The three axes divide the space. The three axes divide the space into 8 parts called octants. The three axes divide the space into 8 parts called octants, denoted by O, X, Y, Z O x dash y z, O x y dash z, O x y z dash, O x dash y dash z, O x dash y z dash, O x y dash z dash, O x dash y dash z dash. The meaning of OXYZ is it is formed with positive x-axis, positive y-axis, positive z-axis. That means if you consider in your room corner position, one side if you take as x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, they are three mutually perpendicular. Then the room which you are there, it will be what? OXYZ. Now if you extend to that side, then it will be what? X-axis you are extending, then it will be O x dash y z. Y-axis if you are extending, then it will be O x y dash z, and so on. That means it will be like a side room below to the left side, and so on. Let P be any point. Let P be any point in space. Draw PL, PM and PN. Draw PL, PM and PN perpendicular to YZ, ZX and XY planes respectively. Let P be any point in this space. Draw PL, PM and PN perpendicular to YZ, ZX and XY planes respectively. The directed distance of the point P, the directed distance of the point P from YZ plane, is called x coordinate. Similarly, directed distance of the point P from ZX plane is called y coordinate, and directed distance of the point P from XY plane is called z coordinate. So the coordinates of the point P is written as a triplet x, y, z. So here I cap, j cap, k cap are the unit vectors along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Px, y, z be any point in the space, and PL, PM, PN are drawn perpendicular to YZ, ZX and XY planes. So OA bar will be XI, OB bar will be YJ, OC bar will be ZK, and OP bar, R bar, you can write as ON bar plus NP bar. and ON bar will be same as OA bar plus AN bar plus NP bar. Again, AN bar is same as OB bar. So R bar equal to Xi plus Yj plus Zk. And because they are right angle triangles, they can prove it as R square equal to X square plus Y square plus Z square.